Hey my beauties, welcome back to another amazing video. So from the continuation of the first video I dropped concerning this flaxseed and fenugreek seed. Okay, this is the continuation. I'll be doing a deep condition in this particular video. So if you've not seen that video, go check it out then to know how I got the flaxseed cooked and the fenugreek seed cooked the way it's cooked right now, for me to blend it and get out our juice, because we need the juice to make this deep condition. Okay love, so here I am transferring our leave-in spray of our fenugreek seed. As I said earlier, I'll go check out that video so you can know how I make the leave-in spray. Okay, how I made it, the process I used to make and get this leave-in spray for our leave-in condition. Okay love, so here in today's video we are going to be making our deep condition and our leave-in condition. You're going to be using it on my hair. Here I'm using a cheesecloth. After blending, I use my wig cap to squeeze out the milk from the fenugreek seed and the flaxseed. Okay, after I squeeze it out, I make sure I squeeze out everything. Then we throw away the chaff because we don't need that. Then we'll be adding amla powder. If you have amla oil, you can use amla oil. So if you don't have amla oil, if you have the powder, you can use the powder. Yeah, so I have the powder, I'm using the powder. Okay, this is the benefits of amla powder for your hair growth. So I'll be using 1 teaspoon. That's 5 ml. Okay, I'll use 1 teaspoon. I will mix it. Okay, I advise that you mix this with a little bit of our treatment before you pour it into the main one, because if you do it this way, you have to allow it to soak for a while so that all the lumps can come out. So guys, I'm done washing my hair. I need to dry the bits. Yeah, so this is my hair. So guys, it is application time. Okay, I am going to section my hair. My hair is not totally dry, it's a bit damp, so it's much better that way. I'm going to section my hair in 4 places, okay, for easier application and so that I can also detangle my hair as I'm going. You get the drift, right? Yeah, this is what I'm going to be doing. After this, we'll start applying it on my hair. The water was too much, that's why I'm using this my cloth to clean my face and also damp my hair so that the water will not be dripping too much. And this is the treatment. Okay, so I'm going to be using this treatment on my hair. This is so amazing for hair growth, hair length, anything that has to do with stopping hair fall. Try mixing these 3 ingredients together. Okay, it's going to help you to stop your hair fall. So flaxseed is rich in vitamin E, is rich in omega-3 fatty acid. Okay, and okay, it strengthens your hair, it prevents hair breakage. While for fenugreek seed, it boosts your blood circulation and helps reduce dandruff. Okay, fenugreek seed is rich in protein. All right, so these are amazing stuff, and it also help in hair fall, to stop hair fall, dryness of hair. It controls baldness, okay, and thinning of hair, like hair thinning. For amla oil or amla powder, it strengthens your hair follicles and reduce hair fall. It also improves blood circulation and promotes hair growth. Okay, the antibacterial properties that is in amla powder helps to keep dandruff away. Okay, you can repeat this process twice a week, and don't forget to rinse your hair with warm water. So love, I'm here tangling my hair and detangling everything and twisting it out back I'm doing it in smaller section. As I said, I'm working in sections. Okay, so this right here, I'm going to be doing it with you all to show you guys how I do it when I'm not doing it in a fast process. If you have a wig cap, as a wig cap, shower cap, you can use that as well. It's not compulsory to use plastic bag, but I feel using plastic bag is much better because all these are messy, and to start washing your shower cap, I don't know, just do what you feel comfortable with. Okay, love. So I'll apply it, then I will detangle, especially at the root of my hair, to help to strengthen that area. At the tip of my head, to help to strengthen it. Then I will pull in style, like pull the hair in style, with style. I say in style, with style. So we don't hear clap from our hair. Easier to finger the tangle because almost all the hair has gotten the juice. I'm using my phone too as a mirror. I don't have a mirror right here, so just in case I'm looking at myself, please bear with me. I'm using my phone as the mirror. So the combination of these three ingredients for this deep condition is so amazing. Like, you need to try this out, guys. You will not regret it. So this is done. I'll twist. I know you guys know the time is right now, but this child is still awake. So this is the last one. It's all gone. So do according to your hair, because I knew my hair was going to accumulate all those things I did. So do according to your hair, how full or how thick or how small your hair is. Just do it according to that. It's good to have product remaining than having non-product. I love the fact that my hair is so healthy, guys. Like, I am loving the healthiness of my hair right now. The healthiness of my hair is much important than length, because if your hair is not healthy, you can't get a length retention. Your hair have to be healthy so that you can get length retention. I'm just going to apply the remaining small ones on that our front hair, because they too need deep treatment, because as they are growing little by little, they need deep treatment as well. Apply this on my front hair, guys. If you are my OG, you know how my front hair is. You know that there is a change in this our front hair. If you know, you know. Alright, so all the hair is all section. I'm going to turn. So they're all section, all covered with our treatment. Then I'm using this nylon bag. this is how I'm gonna leave it. My hand is a bit messy, so I'm going to show you guys the time right now. The time is 12:37 a.m. Let's guys see it. It's backwards here. 12:37 a.m. So when it's 1 o'clock, I'll wash this out. I'll just allow it to stay for 30 minutes. I'll just watch a movie. So when it's 1 o'clock, I'll wash my hair. So love, and I'll try and make this small child to sleep. I'll catch you guys when I'm done rinsing my hair out. Let's I forgot. After the whole tangling process from the detangler, this is what I call. So let's just join all the hairs together. This is my hair for today. Pretty small, right? Yeah, because of all the ingredients I'll be using. So stick to the channel, guys. So love, our 30 minutes is over. This is how my hair looks like. Okay, I'm going to wash, rinse, and this is the time right now. So I'll see you guys around 9 in the morning. Hi guys. Good morning. So from last night, I had to sleep off because I was tired. I beg. So this is the hair in the morning. Let us style it. This is my hair in the morning. I'm going to be using this water to style it. We have the fenugreek water. This is just only fenugreek water. There's no flaxseed inside here, just only fenugreek water. Okay, this is the water we have. I think I will make more. Maybe I'll do like a 7 days challenge, but I just wanted to do this fenugreek treatment. Yeah, so I'm gonna wet my hair and I will use my styling, my oil and my butter to moisturize my hair, and I will now plait it. So I'm just going to make sure that I use it to hydrate my hair very well. I was supposed to cut this hair in sections so I can work very well. So let's cut our hair in section. I have my band right here. One thing about 40 is that after you have finished, when the hair has dried, we tend to say that the hair shrinkage will shrinkalize the hair for you. Shrinkage, shrinkage, you know how to shrink hair. My hair is growing longer. I always leave it inside this thing to still be infusing. There's a new oil I want to do. Maybe you check it out in the channel. Hopefully I'll be able to get my ingredients to do that oil. It's really potent for hair growth, and I think I'll be using that for my front edges as well. This is good too. This one I'm using is amazing because it has lots of natural ingredients inside. This is an Ayurvedic oil, so a lot of spices are inside this oil. I'm going to add my shea butter on it before I plate it, but I'm not plating it like this anyways. I'm just only doing this as a sample to you guys how I hydrate, and after washing my hair, with how I style and hydrate my hair. See, it looks so hydrated. So I'm going to finish all this off camera and I'll show you guys the final results. Because I am done with my hair. This is what it looks like. I'll be using that spray to spray it on my hair. Okay guys, so if you've watched this extent, thank you so much for watching. They've taken the light as I came to the bathroom to end this video. Watch this extent, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I don't know, maybe it could be a challenge. Yeah, it should be a challenge, a 7 days challenge using fenugreek seed. Yes, and I'll also be dropping the video of that 3 powerful ingredients I used that helped me to stop hair loss. Like guys, I can't believe it. Even when I made my hair right now, the hair loss I have, but hold on, let me show you guys. So look, this is the hair loss I have as I just made my hair right now. All the hairs that drop, this is it, this is it, this is it. So I'll definitely drop the video of that 3 powerful ingredients I combined together. Never did I, that was my first time using, never did I know that would actually work. I just put 3 random things and boom, it helped to stop hair loss and helped to retain my hair length. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe guys, stay glued to the channel. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. So you see, it's so tiny. Like I'm giving you a different angle of how the hair is literally so tiny.